All right, so we have another wonderful investment opportunity for you. See, look at us. This is Choice Garden. Shey you see, that is avocado over there. Shey you see, look at it. Units here are almost delivered. So we have 2-bedroom apartments, 45. If you are doing 18 months, it is 48. If you are doing 24 months, it is 50. Come and see what it looks like. Okay, my people, now for still inside Abijo GRA I dey. Okay, so I don't show you now Choice Garden, I don't show you now avocado. So over there, that is what has been delivered. So you see this place over the see, so for this place, please come closer now. You are a young man, stop. So for this place here now, we are going to also be having other unit of 2-bedroom apartment, as I told you before. 45 outright, 48 for 18 months, and of course a 24-month payment plan. But see what has been delivered. So I'm going in now to show you what they've done there. You have seen some of their projects. So today is just to talk. See, my people, waiting house ready talk for Nigeria don't make sense again. Imagine this kind of house. See the way this house be. Make people they rent them for 4 million per year, and I used to go still do your maintenance. So imagine how much you go to pay landlord every year. But this one now with just 5 million naira initial deposit, you go to pay and small. This one I know because say they don't deliver my house. See now I know they see if you don't make sense. I know the cheap head. So you understand. Many people don't talk, so they talk English. So now I'll just move down now for PG mode and now it will be. So my lovely people, real estate investors, this is Abijo GRA. This is a wonderful real estate investment opportunity. If you're looking for to start your own shorted apartment, to have as multiple rental properties for 45 million, this is the only developer selling 2-bedroom apartment here for 45. You know how much other developers are selling? The apartments are from 75. I showed you one at it was 80 million, and it's not about being cheap or something. It's about policies and pricing variation. So this is now where we build down. So you are not going to bush, you are not going to come. This is a well-developed area. It's an investment opportunity. So take advantage of this. Okay, for more information you can contact the number below the description. So I won't follow the engineer and I won't go see the one where they don't deliver, with the opposite this one where they won't start. Won't go. Waiting they don't do. How many projects they don't do? See, this is after 12. This is to 1. I've been on site inspection from 11:30 and I've checked all of their projects. Now this developer, if it is building for profit motive, this place cannot sell for anything less than 7. See, there's a 1-bedroom apartment here selling for 70 million. Meanwhile, it's giving you 2-bedroom apartment for 45. Nobody inside GRA will give you an apartment for that with the level of so wetin they don't deliver, wetin they don't do. Nine be this. So the next project now opposite them. Shey you see, now just fence separate them. So these ones are sold out, but we still have one unit here for 45. Abi, we still have just one unit 45. So if you can afford to pay outrightly, you go take them. But if you want to be spread your money 1 year, 18 months, 24 months, this one is for you. See, you don't have any reason not to become a landlord this year. So start giving me a call. You can, of course, the inspections are available. Can call me at any time. Just make sure you start your housing journey. Even me when they make this video, I don't think how I will take also raise my own initial deposit, because as I advertise to you, me too I dey buy. Now so we dey do am. Here you get. So still on our apartment tour, there's something I found that is very significant. I love this developer for one thing, their delivery. Now let me just show you something. This is a 2-bedroom apartment, pay and parking already finished. You can get this for just 45 million. outright. But if you want us to make payments, you want to make payment within a 1 year duration, I can arrange that for you. But it's a pay and parking. You pay in today, you move in. If you are to get a rent here for a new apartment, total package cannot be less than 4.5 to 5 million because it's a new apartment. This is a steal. It's the best I've seen so far here inside Abijo GRA. That is not far from the popular Lekki-Epe Expressway. Trust me, you don't get to see these offers. And we only have just two. See, only this one and the one upstairs. That means unit 1 and unit 4. You see, all this one, it don't go. So like I said, it is a steal. It is the best investment opportunity and deal I've seen so far in this my Abijo GRA inspection tour. Like I said, just 2 units. One thing is very, very certain. Document is of all, everything I've been for you. One thing is very, very safe. If you key into this project, you will thank me for it.